Hello friends, gracious welcome to AR Wisdom. Do you know anything about pasteurization milk and sterilized milk? Fine. First we should know some important facts about milk. Milk is a rich nutrition, white liquid food which present in the mammary gland of mammals, and it is a primary source of nutrition. Casein is the protein that which found in milk. And India is one of the largest producer of milk in the world. In the year 1970, January 13th, Operation Flood was taken place in India. Operation Flood was a landmark project on National Dairy Development Board. And this project is called as White Revolution, that which was taken place in India. Amul was the main success for this mission. Varghese Kurian was the chairman and the founder of this Amul. And he was appointed as the chairman of National Dairy Development Board by the Prime Minister of India, Lal Bahadur Shastri. And this became the great success in India and across the world. Lactobacillus, Streptococcus, Pseudomonas and coliforms are some of the microorganisms that which are present in milk. Milk has a shelf life of 5 to 7 days if it is in a refrigerator, and as normal 1 or 2 days. Milk can be preserved by mainly pasteurization and sterilization. First of all, what is this preservation? Increasing the shelf life of the product is called as preservation. Now, pasteurization. Pasteurization. In this, the certain microorganism or the pathogenic microorganism that which will be killed at a given set of time. Usually, this process will take in less than 100 degrees Celsius. This process was named after the French microbiologist Louis Pasteur. In this pasteurization, there is HTST. HTST means high temperature, short time. In this process, the milk is heated at 17.7 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds, and this milk has a shelf life of 1 to 2 weeks. And there is another, that is LTLT. LTLT means low temperature, long time. In this process, the milk is heated at 62.8 degrees Celsius for 2 to 3 minutes, and this milk has a shelf life of 1 to 2 months. And the pasteurization test is confirmed by the phosphatase test. If the phosphatase test is positive, then the milk product will be rejected, and if the phosphatase test is negative, and it will be packed and distributed. Example for pasteurized milk is raw milk, Nandini milk, etc. Next, sterilized milk. In this process, all the microorganisms that be present in milk, including the bacterial spores, are killed. By this, the milk can be stored for long period of time. UHT, ultra high temperature. In this process, the milk is heated at 137 degrees Celsius for 2 to 3 seconds. By this, the milk has a shelf life of 5 to 6 months. Example, Good Life milk. By comparing both sterilized milk and pasteurized milk, the sterilized milk has a less nutritive value. So, we should always prefer pasteurized milk. I think this information will be very useful to you. If you like my video, please subscribe and click the bell button. See you in the next video. Until then, bye. Stay home, stay safe.